fuck me. Look, hey look, I'm only getting older and the kush is getting stronger. Watching baseball, fucking on some twins from Minnesota. If you fuck with Rico, I could get you birds from Minnesota. Get you hella wings, baby, I'm the king of Minnesota. I go hella hard for my squad. We be dodging squad cars. Told my little bitch do squad so she can get her ass right. Baby, get your mind right so you can get your cash right. Facts right, these niggas old like last night. I be on some star shit, I fucking around with flashlights. Swear to God, I had to be a lion in my past life. I be moving so fast, one time I almost passed life. And your man's gon' score if the pass right. Never leave my niggas, no, never that. Cause when the fame gone, home is where your home is at. So my family come first until the day I meet my hearse. Being broke is fucked up, but broken lonely way worse. Cause when I ain't have a dollar, I knew I can call fly. So when tomorrow needs something, it's nothing. Understand, I ain't special, red form 101. Cause when the shot went off, I was the one who didn't run. Cause I ain't in no race, either way I'm first place in my lane on 94, getting head like face. Bitch, I'm a dog and all dogs go to heaven. I need cash now like 877. Really need 10, but this white boy got 11. Fuck with the squad, put your ass on care 11. Yeah, and young Rico never settle. Niggas mad cause they fell off like Ace to a bezel. Thank you Lord I'm still alive, cause you know that we done been through some fucking hard times. And I put that on the